name is Chidi. I'm a life coach, a motivational speaker, and a kingdom influencer. Over the past 7 years, I've been able to help over 100 of individuals discover purpose, unleash potential, and maximize the potential towards fulfillment of destiny. And I'm always happy when I see these individuals transform and become the better version of themselves through this vision and mandate that God has given me. You're welcome to my official YouTube channel, where I'll be sharing with you relevant informations and spiritual knowledge that will help you conquer daily lifestyle and help you fulfill destiny. I'll be working with the Holy Spirit and Jesus to make sure you walk into your destiny. So expect videos relating to kingdom dominion, Bible study, kingdom stewardship, financial dominion, purpose discovery, and victorious lifestyle, and much more. And please don't forget to hit on the subscription button, turn on the notification bell, share and like. And if you also want to join our social media platforms where we share relevant informations and 3 books daily to help you become the better version of yourself, don't forget to hit the link below in order to join our platforms, because we'll be waiting for you there to welcome you with happiness on our face, because we know that you are the best that God has ever created, and we are happy to have you in our channel. Thank you and have a blessed day.